Now, my topic here today in engineering is project. Importance of project, how project helps you towards your employability, how you should do the project. Now, at the end of video, I am going to tell you in detail the marking system and the evaluation of the project, how it is done and how it is important. Now, understand, in third year, we do one seminar. Generally, all the university have put up their seminars in third year. So what seminars say? Seminars, you have to study some topic and present that topic in such a way that how it is beneficial, what are the merits and demerits of that product in engineering and in the society, how it is applied. That is being highlighted in the seminar. So there, your capacity of explaining in technical sense is being tested primarily in third year. Now in BE, generally in second semester there is a project. In first semester also there is evaluation of the project, and the final stage is in the second semester of the project in various universities. Now, what do you understand by project and what you are going to do in the project and how it is important in the interview is being explained by me. Generally, the project carries about 200 to 300 marks in various universities. Understand, 200 to 300 marks in the various universities. The total marks in a year is approximate 1500 marks in a year. In final year, there are 300 marks to 300 marks being allocated in the project. So, if you do project well, if you do in good sense, if you score well, your engineering average percentage do also gets hiked in good sense in project number one, and this is academic thing. Now the point in technical sense, what I am telling to you is generally the students are doing, they are going to some another agency. There are lots of agencies, they say will train you, they pay 10,000 20,000 rupees, and they also give some agencies, training agencies give training to the students on some technology in computer, say computer, or in mechanical, say CAD, or in civil, say STADBRO, and they develop a project on their own, and the idea is given by the students, by the mentor teacher from engineering institute. He'll say do this project. So this is being developed by the training institute, and they train the student to grab that project and present it. They also train the technology also. But now what happens if you face the interview? When you are facing the project Viva, understand Viva was the person who is taking your interview in technical will first ask you, what is your explain something about your project. Now in the interview, in employment interview, you are going to tell your project. Now generally what happens, what mistake the students do, they highlight the project in such a way that they highlight in the advertising fashion. Application of airport management system, using this topic. Application of hospital management system, this that. This is not engineering. In engineering you should sensibly speak that using RFID system and programming in Oracle and programming in C++ applied to airport for customer management system. So this way the project should be explained in technical fashion, not in business fashion. Understand, you have to do your project on your own. The person who is taking your interview will ask first major question on your projects. Your biodata first page should consist of projects, minimum 12 lines of the project, and it should be mentioned in clear with technical sense. Project should be mentioned in your biodata in technical sense, not in business sense, not in commercial sense, right? So the person who is interviewing will be asking what types of triggers you have used, what types of blocks you have used, what are the logic, what is it going to do, draw flow chart, draw the logical diagram, and ask to write the program. He may ask to write the program in computer, and he may also write in mechanical, design it, show it. He may ask you some sub questions. Now please note, whenever you are explaining project, you are explaining, you should be in technical sense, you should explain in such a way that if he is asking sub questions, he will ask, what do you mean by RFID? What is a proximity sensor? What is design fundamentals you have taken into consideration? What are the merits, demerits? And lastly, he will ask what profit you are making, how your timing is being, man hours being saved. Project you have to do on your own. This is engineering industry. This is knowledge industry. You are going to work by your brain, not by hand. So if you do project, if you copy project, or if you do some another project, it will reflect in your interview. if will reflect in your presentation. Your confidence will not be proper and 100% while presenting project in your viva and project in your technical interview. 99% of your technical interview is focused on project. What project you have done is the technical question being first asked by the interviewer in technical interview. So be serious. You are going to be engineer. You are not going to be engineering labor. Understand? You are not going to do a support job. You are going to a design job. You are going to design your job. You are going to do your own work in technical sense. So project has high time, very important part in the engineering education system. Your fundamentals should be clear. Your communication should be best. You should use technology while designing your project. If you do it well, you are employable, you are getting good marks, and this will also decide your type of job where you are going to work. So be very serious about your project. If you do not do this, you are going to be engineering labor. This is something from my side. Thanks a lot. Take very important project in your life. Thank you very much.